This is what happens when you hook up a Roku compatible soundbar. It kicks in the Roku cinematic sound and it shows you the demo. It's really cool, so check it out. Okay, so to set up a Roku soundbar, it's really simple. Obviously, you set your soundbar there, plug it in, and then connect an HDMI cable from the HDMI ARC, the ARC on the TV, to the HDMI connection on the soundbar. And the Roku will automatically recognize it and launch the Roku Cinematic sound setup screen like this and go into the demo. It's pretty cool. This is what happens when you hook up a Roku compatible soundbar. It kicks in the Roku cinematic sound and it shows you the demo. It's really cool, so check it out. Okay, second part of the video, setting up live TV on your Roku. And in this example, I'm using an antenna and I've got it hooked to the back of the TV with the coaxial cable. So check it out. So this is how I set up Roku Live TV, and I combine the antenna on top of my house, which is a lot like that one. You can get that antenna basically at Walmart for $50. And if you live within about 20 miles of a major metropolitan area like Seattle, you will probably get quite a few over-the-air channels, and Roku will plug those right into the live TV guide alongside the streaming channels. So Roku Live TV is the best live TV streaming platform out there. Tons and tons of free streaming channels, antenna capability. Let's go to watch live TV. Hey, there I am. Okay, so they've added all the streaming channels to my antenna lineup. You can set your preferences for that in the Roku pretty easily, but now we're on live TV. I'm going to hit the back arrow to pull up the guide and all channels and see if I can get to my antenna channels. I'm going to take a ways to get all the way to the top, I think. You can see the amount of channels that we have to watch. So here's my antenna channels. So I'm going to go to my local networks. We'll go to channel 4. Everybody's got a channel 4 in their market, I think, or 5 or 13. And you'll get the HD options. So we got 4.3, 4.2, 4.1. There we go. Antenna. And you can see the signal meter right there, signal bars. Local NBC. This is Roku Live TV. Over-the-air antenna combined with streaming. It's the best live streaming experience there is. I would say smart TV live system, right? This is a smart TV with a hybrid streaming live TV and antenna over-the-air live TV. It could also combine cable or dish networks into these. It's really just amazing and easy. And of course, you got the #1 streaming platform in the world, Roku, at your fingertips. easiest TV platform to use. Number one for a reason. In over 90 million households now, it's Roku. The best streaming TV, live TV. It's just so easy. Yeah, can't beat it. So let me know what you think. What's your favorite TV platform? Let me know in the comments. Appreciate you watching.